morning. Welcome to RANsquawk's morning briefing for Friday the 9th of April 2010. Following off of some of the good sentiment we had at the close on Wall Street yesterday with the better than expected same-store sales from US High Street, that carried through to the Asian session, the Nikkei and the Shanghai Composite both finishing in positive territory. And so far, in terms of European performance, we're up around 1% in the major FTSE CAC and DAX indices. Some of the risk sentiment very much being driven by an easing in Greek concerns so far this morning. The 10-year Greek bond spread has narrowed from the Euro lifetime wides we hit yesterday. We've narrowed or tightened in that spread by around 24 basis points so far this morning. Seems as though that has continued to stem from the trichet comments we had from the ECB press conference yesterday, when he did say a default for Greece is not an issue. Pretty similar sentiment echoed by the Greek Finance Ministry as well as other global officials this morning. Has seen some risk appetite return to various asset classes. So with equities up around 1% in the major indices, bond futures are trading lower, as to gilt futures, and elsewhere the euro is trading higher. In terms of elsewhere for FX, we have seen some decent gains continue for cable. We've had around a 2-point gain from yesterday morning after decent economic data in Halifax and manufacturing production. Added to that this morning, the latest in the Sun YouGov poll has seen the Tories reclaim around a 9-point lead in the latest election polls, and at the moment the pound continuing to benefit or positively from pro-Tory moves. Elsewhere, in terms of things to come, in terms of the US economic calendar, it is pretty light today, so we'll just be looking out for the open on Wall Street to come later and whether this momentum in terms of risk appetite to see out the week can continue. And we'll also keep a close eye on that peripheral spreads in Eurozone as the US start to come in later.